Good morning, dear students. Myself Vilas Narayan Kawane from Ramaya Devash Ashram School, Bangaon. Last lecture we have to study composite function. What we have to study derivative of composite function. That we have to also called as we can say that it is the chain rule. Means y is the function of function. Y is the function of function. Therefore, dy by dx, dy by du, and du by dx. Y is the function of कशाचा u and u is the function of x. Now problem on the base of that chain rule we have to be discussed and follow. Okay, this is the first problem. What we have to give a y equal to sine log x. We have to find dy by dx, means we have to find काय find करायचं आहे derivative, or we can say that, or we have y dash. Okay, y dash means first derivative. Now given y equals to sine log x, equation number 1, sine log x. So equation 1 is the function beta composite, that is called as a function of function, means y is the function of sine and sine is the function of log x. These are the two functions. Now according to chain rule, y equal to dy by dx, derivative of that function, dy by du and du by dx. Here we have to put log x, instead of log x we have to put, what we have to put, u. Okay, then what is the dy by du is equals to काय sin u, derivative of sin u काय भेटते cos u. Okay, we have to know that, but we have to on the this process we have to not use, we have to use, this is the another method for solving the composite function. Okay, which is useful for the in a next exercise, Okay, so we have to always solve with with this this technique. Okay, so differentiating with respect to x, because y is the function of x, dy by dx is equals to derivative of sine log x. Derivative of sine, we know that derivative of sine always we have to get cos x. So derivative of sine log x काय मिळालं आपल्याला cos log x, काय मिळालं cos log x, but which is formula for only sin x, not for log, not for sine log x. Therefore again we have to take derivative of log x, because it is composite function, function of function. So as it is first term we have to take as it is, derivative of log x 1 upon x. So derivative y dash means first derivative dy by dx, we get cos log x upon x. This is the derivative of कशाचं भेटलं बेटा, y equal to sine log x. Also we have to orally calculate derivative of we know that sineचं काय भेटतं cos log x, and then again derivative of log x 1 upon x. This is orally we have to calculate, but this is the process. If asked in board exam, then we have to be calculated. Okay, then we have to take the another example for that. Let y equal to काय, we have to get log cos x to the power 5. फाइंड काय करायचं आहे आपल्याला, dy by dx. फाइंड काय करायचं आहे, dy by dx. फाइंड dy by dx. Now we have to given the let y equals to काय घेऊ आपण, log cos x to the power 5, याला देऊ इक्वेशन नंबर 1. Now differentiating with respect to x, कशाने डिफरेंशिएट केलं बेटा, with respect to x. Therefore dy by dx is equal to derivative of log cos x to the power 5 bracket close. Okay, therefore derivative of log we know that 1 upon x, but x आहे का इथं नाही आहे, आपलं काय आहे cos x to the power 5. Okay, therefore 1 upon cos x to the power 5, but this is only formula for x, not for cos. Therefore again derivative of cos x to the power 5. We know that derivative of log x किती भेटते आपल्याला, 1 upon x. Now first term as it is 1 upon cos x to the power 5. Derivative of cos, we know that derivative of cos काय भेटते, always minus sine x to the power 5 as it is. But x to the power 5 काय है बेटा आपला, x to the power 5 it is काय है composite function. Therefore again काय करावं लागते आपल्याला, डेरिव्हेटिव्ह कशाचं घ्यावं लागते, अगेन डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ कशाचं घ्यावं लागते, डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ x to the power 5. अगेन डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ x to the power 5. Okay, मग what is the first term as it is minus sin x to the power 5 cos x to the power 5. अगेन डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ कशाचं घ्यायचं आपल्याला, x to the power 5. अप्लाय फॉर्म्युला कोणता, अप्लाय फॉर्म्युला करायचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ cos x, we know that minus sin x. This is where arrangement. Okay, apply formula dy by dx. Here y is a function of x to the power n, therefore one of derivative of x to the power n is equals to n x to the power n minus 1. Power काय घ्यायचा मल्टिप्लिकेशन आणि जेही असेल त्याच्यामधून मायनस काय करायचा 1. Okay, here sin upon cos, we know that sin theta upon cos theta काय मिळतो tan theta minus tan x to the power 5. Okay, 5 काय आला in front, here formula we have to apply x 5 minus 1 minus tan x to the power 5. 5 मधून किती गेला minus 1. 5 minus 1 किती मिळतो 4. मग therefore मी 5 काय घेतलं in front, 5 minus 5 tan x to the power 5 x4 into, we have to write that. Okay, this is the derivative of that function. Derivative of function कशाचं काढलं, y equal to log cos x to the power function 5. Here किती function आहे, y is the function of log, log is the function of cos, and cos is the function of power, that is x to the power 5. We have to find out that derivative of that function. What we have to lastly get, minus 5 tan x to the power 5 into x to the power 4. Now the another formula on the base that this is board exam many times asked. We have to memorize that this formula for the log. Some two formulas we have to use in this problem. Y equal to what we get, log base किती आहे बेटा 3, base means pi, again in bracket log base किती आहे 5x. Okay, what we have to read, log to the base 3 log of x base किती आहे 5, base किती आहे 5. फाइंड काय करायचं, dy by dx. We know that हा formula, first we have to know that log a base किती आहे b, then we can write as log a upon log b. बेस जो असेल तो कशामध्ये येतो डिनॉमिनेटर, आणि वरचं कशा आहे ते माहिती भेटे न्यूमरेटर मध्ये. ओके, देन वी हॅव टू अरेंज दॅट फर्स्ट फॉर्म्युला. देन काय मिळेल, y log to the base 3 log 5x मिळाल. I can write as log x divided by log 5. Also we know that log a upon b काय मिळते, log a minus log b. This is formula we have to learn in 11th standard. Okay, or we have to memorize that log base असेल तर काय येतो अपॉन मध्ये log a, आणि log a upon b काय मिळते, log a minus log b. log a into b असेल तर काय मिळते, log a plus log b. फक्त इथे इंटू असेल तर काय येते प्लस, आणि डिव्हिजन असेल तर काय येते मायनस. ओके, सो नाव y इक्वल टू log बेस 3, a का है आपला log x and b का है 5, log x minus log 3 log 5. ओके, काय आला, log to the base 3 log x minus log to the base 3 log 5. Okay, differentiating with respect to x because y is the function of x. Okay, it is a variable, not constant. Derivative घेऊ शकत नाही आपण, त्या constant derivative always काय मिळते 0. y is the function of x. dy by dx derivative of log base 3 log x minus log base 3 log 5. Okay, bracket close. Now we have to arrange that derivative of x log base काय घेतला अपॉन मध्ये log of log x minus derivative of log base किती आहे log 3 log of that. But this is function काय आहे बेटा constant, 5 is constant, 3 is constant, तर derivative of constant always काय मिळते 0. derivative of constant always काय मिळते 0. Okay, म्हणजे we have to consider that derivative of constant is always 0. So what if we have to get, this is the constant, take out of derivative 1 upon log 3. derivative of log काय मिळते, logचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय मिळते 1 upon x, पण इथं किती आहे आपला log x, so 1 upon log x, but log x is again log composite function झालं, that's why again take derivative of log x. what we get, first term as it is 1 upon log x, first time ला घेतला 1 upon log 3 1 upon x, derivative of log x काय मिळते 1 upon x. then we have to arrange that 1 upon x log 3. Okay, this is the another problem we have to be solved. Here we have to memorize that the two formula, log a base किती है बेटा b, then we can also write as log a upon log b, and log a into b असेल तर काय मिळते log a plus b, and log a minus a upon b असेल तर डिव्हिजन असेल तर log a minus log b. And here only one formula we have to use, derivative of log x with respect to x, काय मिळते 1 upon x. Okay, this is the problem on the basis of कशाचा आहे chain rule. Okay, thank you.